What? The world, it's not a plan. Yo, what you are going, you know? Hey, a franchise to choosing one. 10-star general. You know it go already, you know. When you come for represent, you know. Full effecting, man. You know it go. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch out, man. Are the people's champion. Watch me. A Gaza favorite. Oh, you like me now? Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? What I do? Ask me what me I do. I cook. What you mean? If me can't stay and cook. You take my play with cooking, me I do this from too young. It becomes a part of me. You know what I mean? All full white, me can in and deal with the thing. Or some goat meat me have on the stove. And I go fry up some chicken on the side. Corn a lollipop thing. You don't know it going I represent. What I say? What gwaan in a plenty 20? You not act like you not say. Eh? When you see popcorn rush out and a bust up people's head. Eh? I mean, I hear the internet act like them once. Send up about that. You see some man go like them one, hold on upon them voice. You know not see where popcorn go away. You know go like you no blind. You know not see where popcorn go away. A shell with people. And I have a lollipop thing. And I see Chronicle shell with Jamil. And I still not hear nothing about it neither. And I like you not see what go on, you know. Stay there and go like you know blind, yeah? Right about now, you know. There be a certain type of C, you know. A certain type of C virus, you know. Run gone down to Jamaica, you know. And right now, you know. All the man them with the knackies, you know. I get to find out so them afraid for walk with it, you know. Right about now, you know. Because them have to hand sanitizer down them knackies, you know, because them afraid, you know. Fever walk with the fire stick and afraid them catch the certain type of C from the fire stick. So them not afraid of Mr. Honest. Nah, them not afraid of the police them. There's where me deal. Them afraid of state of emergency. Now them not afraid of Mr. Honest, but them afraid of certain type of C. So you see what I go on. Right now, you know, Gaza nation, we need for ask the justice system what are going with Vibes Cartel appeal. Because right about now, you know, it no look like the 3-panel judge, you know, I make the decision, you know. It look like them a wait for the decision just like we, you know. A real thing in a Gaza nation. It look like them a wait for the decision just like we. Or the hell, you can have 3 judges in. Let me take a sip first. Or the hell, you can have 3 judges. And them a go over the transcript over and over again. And when them a go finish, when them a go done, it come like the longest transcript that ever in a courthouse history. Look how long the man them have it. What them a go on with? Right now in a Gaza nation, as far as I'm concerned too, I see them a push out this thing, you know. I am just wondering if the man them want to use Vibes Cartel for political power. And that me I say in a Gaza nation. If I use them want use Vibes Cartel for political power. You see what I say? Because what gwaan? We can't hear from them. The last time we hear them say the thing in advance. So what gwaan right about now? We need to know what gwaan, you know. Right about now, you know. Because it look like to me, you know, all the man and I save the man for political power, you know. That me see what gwaan, you know. There ain't nothing more me can say. This is ridiculous. It get real ridiculous now. You see what I deal with? And watch me. If a mother or did run out, you know, and I squeeze necessary equipment, you know, the whole internet would have flood up, you know. Yo, Me don't know if you don't see, The man them put a rush on the two St. Thomas artists them, and people say, hey, Papi nah got this, Papi nah got that. Papi bust him head right about now. He must go find something and come back. Papi ain't no laughing thing, not a playing thing with them. You see what I deal with? Yeah, and it look like Papi ready for them anytime right about now. You see what I deal with? I'm going to see Canicla mash up Jamil. You see what I deal with? I'm in a ear come out and answer now. I'm in a ear. Some of the blogger them are run with it. You know what I mean? Them a go like them soft. Or them a go like them not ear. Them a play a blind eye to it. Yo. We not deal with lollipop thing, I just want to know that. So we not deal with lollipop thing. I try to tell you now already. See a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. The whole of you feel like a joke. We not deal with Janet Street, my brother. That's what I deal with. And anytime Gaza, I touch the road, they clip them off the load. So you have to know that. And I have to understand how this thing set. You see what I deal with? Don't go out with no joke thing. You run up and review the man song, pace by pace. I make Movada and I do and I know say, Big Matica squeeze around yourself. You hear that? Make them know Big Matica squeeze around yourself. So right now all of the dancehall fanatic them supposed to get hype right about now because this is one ball for and this is some of one sound I want to see, right? Alright. Look like Papi never run when them say him nah live long, You see him take on them look at army with a small imgram. Watch. Right about now, the world boss, is not a runner-up, I want to get what I say, The world boss is not a runner-up. Him is not a journeyman. The world boss a walking, talking, living legend. You hear that? So in time some boy a talk, me ain't in no argument with them. Them a journeyman. Some of them a runner-up. We talk about living, walking legend. Vibes Cartel. And a lollipop thing. I'm not supposed to know that. You see what I deal with? So, no match up no really there. You see what I deal with? At the general, the 10-star one, are representing a full effect. I don't know the thing go already. Watch.